Often we think, why does the Sikh community observe this Shahidi week, the week of sacrifice in December every year? Why do they have this huge sense of disappointment, sadness, yet a celebration of bravery during this time? It is because during this time, Guru Gobind Singh Ji and his Char Sahibzade were the ones who sacrificed their lives for the safety of the larger Sikh community. Let me tell you a story which was not a story after all. Guru Gobind Singh Ji in 1704 was in his fortress of Anandpur Sahib. It was this Anandpur Sahib that Guru Gobind Singh Ji had fought and saved from the ruthless Mughal emperor Aurangzeb, who was wanting to convert everybody to Islam at that point of time. In 1704 December, उस वक्त के पो के दिनों में, that is the extreme cold winters as marked in the Hindu and the Punjabi calendar, it was the same Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb who asked Guru Gobind Singh Ji to immediately vacate Anandpur Sahib. Guru Gobind Singh Ji, after negotiating with Aurangzeb, agreed to that if safely all the Sikhs would be allowed to vacate. However, Aurangzeb and his army-in-chief officer Wazir Khan went back on their promise and they attacked the Sikh community then. It was in this skirmish and this battle that Guru Gobind Singh Ji and his family separated into different groups. With Guru Gobind Singh Ji were his eldest two sons, Baba Ajit Singh Ji and Baba Jujhar Singh Ji. Even though they both were teenage boys, from the very early age of 12 and 13 years, they had acquired military training, had a lot of faith in their own community, fought small battles and led Sikh cavalries and stood firm for their own faith. It was Baba Jujhar Singh Ji and Baba Ajit Singh Ji who, along with Guru Gobind Singh Ji, their father, stood firm in the face of attack that Wazir Khan launched on them unannounced and betrayed their trust. Baba Ajit Singh Ji and Baba Jujhar Singh Ji lost their lives in this battle, while Guru Gobind Singh Ji managed to escape Anandpur Sahib, but his other two sons, Baba Zorawar Singh Ji just at the age of 8 years and Baba Fateh Singh Ji just at the age of 5 years, escaped from Anandpur Sahib and fled along with their grandmother Mata Gujri Ji, who had raised them through the flooded river waters of Sisa River and were helped by their long-serving servant Gangu. It was this servant who betrayed them, told their whereabouts to Wazir Khan and Aurangzeb, and they were taken as prisoners to Sirhind in the Thanda Burj, where they were kept in extreme cold. Aurangzeb called them and lied to them that their father Guru Gobind Singh Ji has given up on Sikhism and they should also convert to Islam. But Baba Zorawar Singh Ji and Baba Fateh Singh Ji, just at the age of 8 and 5 years, refused to do that no matter what and stood by Sikhism all in all. It was after this that their execution was ordered and they were buried alive in walls on 26 December. ये कहानी नहीं है, ये सच्चाई है चार साहिबजादे और गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी की उस बलिदान की जिसके हम आज तक कर्जदार हैं.